In this video, best mini fridge for bedroom.
Hi! In this video, we'll highlight some of our favorite products on the market today. Each product we feature has been independently selected and reviewed by our editorial team. And if you'd like to see their price and find out more information, check the product links in the description down below. Let's not waste any more time and get started with the video.
Best mini fridge for bedroom.
Starting off our list, at number 5. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 4. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 3. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 2, in the list.
The AstroAI 4-liter mini fridge is the perfect compact fridge to keep your belongings cool or warm. This fridge is designed to store everything from drinks and snacks to medicine or skincare products, making it convenient for whatever you put in your personal stash. It might be small on the outside, but it impressively stores up to 6 12-ounce soda cans, ensuring you'll always have a cool drink within arm's reach. The removable shelf is perfect for organizing moistures, creams, and masks, so everything is chilled for your routine. With 2 ways to plug in your mini fridge, it's perfect to use in the car on road trips or at your office cubicle. Its eco-friendly engineering is free and works so quietly you'll hardly notice it. The cool to warm technology not only cools down to 32 degrees, but also warms up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. A built-in handle makes it easier to bring your mini fridge anywhere to keep you going on all of life's adventures.
And these are our ratings for this product. At number 1. And these are our ratings for this product.
Best mini fridge for bedroom.
Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.